The biggest advantage of the Create Corolla Wood chipper design lies in its high performance and terrain adaptability. This design feature enables the Corolla branch crusher to move freely in various complex terrains. The Corolla branch crusher adopts an intelligent remote control system which can easily handle various woods, logs, branches, etc., and plays an important role in gardening, forestry production, and agriculture.